Yesterday, guys, we were buying this, guys. We hit both of our targets. So, guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today? And today, guys, in my opinion, as long as the price stays above 1.35612, guys, I keep on buying this. And if we break below this, guys, I think we will be testing 1.32209, and that would still not negate the bullish trend. This would just mean bearish correction inside the bullish trend. And I would always truly start selling this once the price breaks below 1.32209, and I would target 1.31731. So as long as we are above this, guys, we keep on buying this. And if we are able to stay above 1.32612, guys, we will be going for the next highs, which is at 1.33128. And after that, guys, we could go for 1.3337 as well. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair today. I'm not going to do any analysis. My laptop is busted up, so I'm using another laptop and I need to get to the workshop to fix it up. So take care, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.